Hello everybody. So in this session today we are going to understand what is the difference between the merge queries and append queries, which you can see extreme right side over here. Okay, merge queries and append query. First thing, this option will appear only in the Power Query editor, not in the Power BI desktop, because this is something which we are transforming data. And merge query is basically works as a joins in the SQL query. If you have worked in the SQL query, you can easily correlate where we have to join the two tables on the basis of a primary key, on the basis of any key which is we have a common. Okay, and append queries is basically worked as a union all in the SQL query, where we have two tables with the same structure, same column, same data type, and you wanted to collect, or let's suppose one file is having 5 and another file is with the same structure is having 6 record. You wanted to join the data, so you can use this append query, and then it will create a new table with 11 records in it. Okay, let's suppose we have, for merge query statement, we have 4 records, 5 records. Let's suppose the same thing, 5 records in one table, 6 record in another table, but there is a key in between. So only on the basis of the key the data will be extracted. Let me tell you the demonstration here. So if you can see here, I have a sales data, I have a order details. We have order ID, key in between sales data. So here you can see in sales data I have this order ID, and in order details we have order ID. I wanted to merge these two tables on the basis of order ID. So how we can do it? Let me select the sales data, click on merge queries as new. We can see the two options. Basically, first option, when we wanted to modify the sales data existing table, okay, then we can use the merge query. Okay, but I wanted to create a new table, so we can create a merge queries. We can choose this option. So it will sales data is selected by default because I have selected here, and I choose here order details. Okay, now I need to select the column on the basis. I need to give the column. I need to just click on this order ID and click on this order ID. So it will take as a key which through which it is going to join those two tables. Here you can see merge query is nothing but a join. So join kind, whatever the join you wanted to see. I wanted to use the inner joins. Only matching record from both the tables will be displayed in the case of the inner join. You can see here the preview also. It will give the live description as well, so that you will understand. Okay, this is going to give me a correct result. The selection matches 2 of 1500 rows from the table, first table. So click on OK. The moment I click on OK, you can see the new table is generated, and I got only 2 records, which is the correct one. And you see here order ID, these two. Okay, reg 10,000, reg 10,001. If you want, you can rename it as well. Let's say order merged. Okay, and the new table will be created. Now coming to the append query, I wanted to append these two tables. If you see, the structure is almost similar. This is the same table I have again loaded in, but I have created a copy and again loaded it. Okay, so this people 10,000 is having these columns, and the same columns we have in the people 10,000 copy. So what I need to do, I need to append this. I need to come here again, the two options. If I wanted to modify the existing file, I'll go with this option. If I wanted to create a new table out of append, I'll click on this. So I'll click on the second option, and it is by default this first table is people, and second table I choose people 10,000. Click on OK. So this new table is generated, append 1. Let me make here people appended. Okay, people appended. Okay, so now the thing is, how we'll come to know basically we have 10,000 thousands, so total it should be what we are expecting, 20,000. But how we can test it? Either we can scroll down like a traditional way and you can get it, but it's a better way. What you can do, you can click on transform, and there is a count of rows. Okay, keep this table selected, click on whatever the table you selected and click on count rows. It will count the rows of that particular table. So I have selected this people appended, click on count rows. See, it is giving me 20,000. So basically, if the two tables is having the same structure, appended will allow us to append the data. And let me revert it back. So this is fine. I hope you like the video. You understood the difference between the merge queries and append queries. So next time if anyone asks you the difference between an interview, you will rock. Thank you and have a nice day.